Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Wells Fargo direct deposit form. So this is particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and get direct deposit enabled at a new job or a new occupation. But before we get started, it is important to make sure that your company that you're working for or your employer doesn't have their own direct deposit form already. So if they don't, you could actually just go ahead and use Wells Fargo's direct deposit form. And the way I found it is to actually go ahead and type in Wells Fargo direct deposit form and then clicking on this first step here. Now, once you're on this page, you just see a series of text to actually go ahead and explain what direct deposit is. Basically, some benefits is that it's convenient, fast, and safe. Now, if you go ahead and actually scroll down, you're going to see this hyperlink here where you can actually download a blank direct deposit form and fill in the information yourself. So if we go ahead and click on this link here, what you're going to see is the Wells Fargo direct deposit automatic payments setup guide. It gives you benefits of automatic payment, and then you just need to simply fill out all this information. So you have your name, your routing number and transit number, and your account number. Now, it is extremely important that you make sure that the routing and account number is the exact same number that's found in your Wells Fargo check or on your Wells Fargo app. In addition, as I mentioned before earlier in this video, you just want to make sure that you go ahead and actually contact your employer or payee to make sure that they don't have their own direct deposit form as well. But even so, the rest of this information you can read about it yourself, but that is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and find your Wells Fargo direct deposit form. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.